If you're looking to detox, these are the 5 best kidney detox foods. So let's cleanse out those kidneys. This will help with your urinary health as well. So number 1 on my list is parsley. Parsley is a natural diuretic, so it works like a water pill to alleviate that extra fluid that you may be holding on to, flushing out through the kidneys. Number 2 is cranberries, and you've probably heard about the great attributes of cranberries being really great for the urinary tract. And number 3 on my list is blueberries, and what's been shown in the research is that both cranberries and blueberries, if you're wondering what this is, I just pulled the bladder, the urinary bladder, out of Lucy, and they have been found. So cranberries and blueberries decrease the adherence of E. coli, and E. coli is often that culprit that causes urinary tract infections and a lot of inflammation in the bladder. So what they do is they decrease the adherence, the stickiness of that E. coli to the bladder walls, which is amazing. And number 4 on the list is asparagus. Asparagus is great for that kidney detox as well. And number 5 is dandelion greens. Now, dandelion greens also a diuretic, so works to flush out that extra fluid toxicity that you may be holding on to, flushes out those kidneys, a great way to do that kidney detox, and of course, naturally. Now, for more information on how to tell you need to do that kidney detox, please check out my video, Kidney Detox, 6 Warning Signs Your Kidneys Are Toxic. I'll see you there.